in that cat. Pull up in that scat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that scat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that scat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that scat. I'm chasing that cat. I'm chasing the rat.
What's going on YouTube? Back on tapping back in with another vlog. I appreciate y'all rocking out with me. Before we jump into this vlog, make sure you thumbs up this video and subscribe to the channel. I'm about to head to the wash. Normal day. I'm going to the dealership sometime this week to get my oil changed. So I figured, why not a better time than to wash the car? Who wants to take a dirty car to the dealership and get the oil changed anyways? And I just need to wash the car, y'all. I'll be grinding it out in the car. I ain't washed the engine bay since the last video I made, so maybe this will be how to wash the engine bay part 2. The second video, because I feel like the first video did real good, and it might have been a little bit drawn out. It was one of my earlier videos, so the edits might not have been as clean. You know, just the way I'm communicating behind the camera now, I'm a little bit more comfortable, y'all. So I feel like this video will turn out a little bit better. But without further ado, let's jump into this video. I appreciate y'all rocking out with me. I'm gonna tap back in. I might pull to the AutoZone before I go in there real quick. Last video was me getting the car from the auction. I want to say things went the best in that video, y'all. With the Chevy Cruze, it's still over at 505 Street Garage right now, waiting to get that transmission swapped out. Big shout out to them taking care of me when I had nowhere else to turn. But that car will be rolling soon, y'all. I don't know at this moment if I can flip it real quick and get a couple dollars out of it. That's what I'll do, just because having to put that transmission in there, y'all, it kind of ate at my expenses that I wanted to use for the maintenance of that car. And what I mean by that is I've just put a transmission in there, y'all. I just bought it from the auction. The price I paid was a little bit more than I wanted to pay, the $3,300 plus tax. But the thing is, it was clean titled, so they was able to do my tags and all that there. But the thing is it was still a little bit more than I wanted to pay. Then having to put the transmission in, it was kind of like, ate up a lot of profit. Not all my profit. Like I said in the video before, I didn't feel like I was wasting money, but I definitely feel like I was spending money, which I was. So keep in mind, y'all, it's the difference between wasting money on car mods and spending money trying to get a car back running. Transmission that's getting put in there will have a 1-year warranty on it. So in my opinion, that's like, as far as buying a used car, if somebody's buying that as a used car, that's probably like one of the best deals that you're gonna get. You know what I'm saying? When you are buying a used car, to get any type of warranty with it, normally people jump on it. So that's definitely a selling point. I think I'll be all right, y'all. I'm almost positive if I spend my money on it, somebody else will. That's just kind of how it works. And like, shout out to whoever does end up buying the car. Hopefully you watch these videos and me getting the car, what I've been going through with it, because I actually did spend good money on the car. I had big plans for the car, but the thing is, with having to put that transmission in, it just doesn't seem real logical for me to put the transmission in now and rent it out when I've already spent so much money just getting the car up and running. If I can sell it and make a profit at all, I might as well do that now. But for now, I'm gonna run into the AutoZone. I was just bringing y'all up to speed on the car that we got in the last video from the auction. So today's video is really just gonna be how to clean the engine bay part 2, how to clean the engine bay on the Scatpack the right way. Y'all stay tuned. I appreciate you rocking out with me. I just wanted to keep y'all up to date on the last car that we got from the auction. It is gonna be up and running soon. Stay tuned. Jumping out the car. Look how dirty this joint is, y'all. I don't know if you can see that. Let me show you. Oh my God, hold on. Sub to the channel. Subscribe to my YouTube. One day I never got it when I come here. So I'm gonna try this out. Let's see. Just grabbed out of AutoZone. Total interior cleaner and protecting. It's weird because you can use this on the dashboard, glass, leather, and the screen. We're not gonna use it on the screen. I'm not testing that on my screen. Y'all see I got that demon on there. Is that up badging? Comment down below. But y'all see it right there. I don't know if I'll use it on the screen, but stay tuned. I'll definitely give a review. All right, YouTube, I got the inside all cleaned out. Had to throw the shades on because it's super sunny out here. It's beaming. But look, I'm about to hit this vacuum up. Y'all see we at the Y. I can't wait till I get my own garage, y'all, but trust the process. Stay tuned. Yeah, it's turning, man. See if it got a smell to it. Don't smell like too much. So pretty much it seems like you can spray this all over the car. I'm not doing that, but it seems like I get that kind of vibe. It smells like baby powder though. It smells good. Now this is gonna be the true test right here. Y'all see how it's kind of grayish? Like it's not black. I'm gonna spray some of this cleaner on there. I'm gonna wipe it down. If it stays black, then I'll recommend it. I'll give it a thumbs up. If it turns back gray like this, I'll give it a thumbs down. Let's see. All it'll take is a second to turn back if it will. Trust me on that one. So that's the before and after. What do you guys think? Is it turning gray again? Nope. Close it, show you it's not the lighting. So it's turning a little bit, but I recommend it. I'll give it a thumbs up. Alright YouTube, so jumping back into the video, we about to wash this engine bay. Number one, before you wash the engine bay, make sure you let the engine cool down. So don't wash it immediately. When you pull up to the wash the outside of your car first, and then wash the engine bay. If you didn't see that in part one, if you wash the engine while the engine's hot, you're gonna crack the engine block and it's gonna be over with, y'all. So don't do that. I'm making sure I'm gonna wash the outside of the car, and then we're gonna get straight into this engine bay, y'all. Stay tuned. Wipe down the car. I'm about to rinse it off. Now it's probably one of my favorite parts. We're just rinsing it off, so stay tuned. I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. Alright YouTube, now for the moment you all been waiting for, how to clean the engine bay. So what I'm gonna do is what I'm using to clean the engine bay is just some $5 cleaner from AutoZone. Nothing too crazy, just some engine cleaner and degreaser. Spray this all over the engine. Let me show you. Yeah, so I'm just using this $5 engine cleaner from AutoZone right here. Don't be scared to spray this all over your engine, y'all. It won't hurt nothing. Trust me, it's cleaner. Just spray this all over. Spray this up front. Spray this up front. Spray it down in there. Get on this side. Y'all see I got the whip all clean, so it's just the last step. Then I'm gonna adjust the wheels. But for now, just spray this down, spray it down. So I don't got nothing to wipe it down with that I want to get super dirty right now, except for my wash mitt that I use on the outside of the car. I could use it on this, but it's all good. I wipe it down regularly, so the dirt on there ain't too it ain't too large in there, so when I power wash it, it'll come straight off. But just for future reference, you want to cover this up with a t-shirt right here, and then I'm gonna just spray it down with water. Y'all stay tuned. 6 pistons, let's go. The same thing as last time. If you're doing this at a car wash, don't press the pressure washer in. Just let it steam out like that. Don't press it in on the engine. You don't want to put that type of pressure on the engine bay, y'all. All right, YouTube, the car's all clean. Y'all watch me clean out the interior. Y'all watch me clean the engine bay, clean the wheels, clean the outside. Really, this is just something that I enjoy doing. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Y'all tap in with me. The merch is up. The website is live. I'm gone.
Pull a Scatpack, I secure that bag,